Christina from Christina's Crafts. I am back today with another DIY. So back in the springtime, we had a rummage sale and my daughter had gotten this from a thrift store and she put it in the rummage sale. But I thought, you know what? I could really update this and make this look better. It has some lights. I don't know if they work. I haven't put any batteries in there, but I'm gonna see what I can do with this. So I'm super excited to see if I can make this look better, or who knows, maybe make it look worse. I don't know, but I hope you stick around and see what I do. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My daughter had got this from a thrift store a while back, and I am gonna, well, honestly, it's looking pretty shabby. These are kind of falling apart and they're really dingy and kind of icky looking. So I'm gonna see what I can do, if I can salvage some of this. And also these little fiber optic things in here, they don't work anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this all apart and see what I can do with it. Okay, well, I had everything apart and I started taking the presents apart, and this is hot glued on here really good. As you can see, I've been working for about half an hour trying to get this off of here. So I might have to think of something else for these presents. So yeah, I don't know if I want to take any more off because it is a mess. It's all over the place. Okay, so I sat here for, I don't know, about a week or so trying to figure out what to do with this. I got this one apart, this gift as far as this, but as you can see, I mean, it's just a mess, and it made a mess over everything. So my solution to that was I am just going to toss these presents. You can't really see on camera how bad, I mean, they actually look nice on camera, but in real life, they look pretty dingy and yucky and kind of wrecked. So these are actually just going to go right in the trash. So I have a different idea though. Yeah, look at, there's all little pieces all over just from having them sitting there. So I'm actually going to set this aside right now. And then I have this box that I got. There was a sale somewhere and somebody had a bunch of these boxes, so I just bought a whole bunch of them. And a plank from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take my Waverly Antique Wax and paint the outside of the box and my little plank with that. Okay, so my box is done. I also did this panel, but now I think I'm going to change my mind. So what I was going to do is I'm going to set this branch on top of this box here, and then I was going to glue this down so I could put stuff on top of it, but it's just not sitting right, so I don't think I'm going to use that. This branch is going to sit on top of this box. So just so you know, it looks like they just took two branches, like maybe from an old Christmas tree or something, and put them together. So it's nothing like spectacular, or two little Christmas trees. So you could technically go to Dollar Tree if you wanted to. And you could buy one of the little Christmas trees to put this together. So what I'm going to do is this is going to sit on top of here. And then I have this little reindeer from Dollar Tree that's going to go in the middle of there. I don't like these, this ribbon and these plastic, I guess, berries that are on here. So I'm going to try to remove that. And then I am going to actually put, I think, a blue ribbon on there. So I have some of this snowflake ribbon, and I think I'm pretty sure I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna make a little ribbon for my deer. Okay, I have my little deer pulled apart, and I had to re-glue the branches on, and I pulled a little bit of the stuff up, so now I'm gonna have to try to cover that with the ribbon. So it's gonna have to go up a little bit higher, but the ribbon's gonna go right there. Oh, I like that a lot better. I'm a fan of the blue. Okay, so he is ready to go, or she. And then now I have these trees that I want to put in there, but I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get them stuck in there without falling over. So I'm actually going to take these two craft sticks that I got from Dollar Tree and attach those onto the tree so I can just stick them right in there. Oh, my husband took my scissors. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the end right here. These trees I also got from Dollar Tree a couple of years ago, but they have new stuff that, you know, comes out all the time. So I'm sure you could find something in replacement to this if you wanted to. There. There, that's gonna make that stand way, way nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one done. Okay, my trees and my deer are ready. Now I'm gonna take my branch here, and I got these blue lights from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put those into my my little branch here. So I'm just gonna flip this over. This is actually just gonna sit in the box because I'm not gonna glue that down. So I'm just gonna wind my lights in here and kind of poke them up through the branches. Okay, let's see how that looks. Looks pretty decent. I'm thinking maybe I should glue them so they just kind of stick through a little bit. Maybe I'll warm up my hot glue gun and just stick a little hot glue on there to make sure that I have them in there decent. Oh, I think that's gonna work a lot better if I do that. And then I don't have to worry about them falling out and seeing too much of the cord. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, I have all my lights all hot glued on here, and then the battery pack is going to drop inside the box. There we go. And then that is just gonna sit on top of the box here. Make sure my lights are sticking up decent. So far, so good, I think. All right, and then it's just a matter of getting my placement on here. Since there's the big wire in there, it's kind of difficult to get stuff where I want it. Because that big thing is going right through the middle of the box. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna get these where I want them, and then I think I am gonna stick a little hot glue on there just to keep them somewhat secure. So when I pull this off to do the battery, it doesn't all fall. Now it's just a matter of trying to get my reindeer to stay on here. I think I'm gonna have to push him down a little bit so he has enough legs touching the branches to get him glued down. So let's just see what happens. I'm gonna stick some hot glue on his feet and just hold him on there. Might have to stick a little hot glue around his little hooves to make sure he stays on there good. Okay, now I'm going to do a little adding. So I'm going to add a couple little more branches in here, so it doesn't look quite so bare. And I'm just going to use my hot glue gun and stick some of these frosted branches in here. I got a whole bucket of frosted branches from Amazon a couple years back, and I still have a huge bucket of them. So I am gonna pick through here and find some and add them into there. To make it look a little bit fuller. So I'm not going to let you or have you sit and watch me stick extra branches in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, just about done. I'm just going to add a couple little more things in there. I have some pine cones that I want to stick in there. And then I also have these little like silver flowers that I'm dropping on the ground here. I wish I had more pine cones, but I do not have a bunch of them. All right. Stick that little guy in the back. And one more. Here, I think it's looking pretty good. I actually kind of like this idea better than wrapping the presents. I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah, because what I was going to do is I was going to take the presents apart and then I was going to rewrap them. And I thought that was going to look really neat, which it probably would have, but it didn't quite work out for me. I think that's it. I was debating on whether or not I wanted to put some bulbs in here. I don't know. I'm thinking it might already look a little too full. Maybe it wouldn't look too bad if I stuck a couple of those in there. Yeah, so I'm just taking the tops off the bulbs and stick them in there. And I got a couple little lighter colored blue ones. These are just old bulbs that I had on my Christmas tree that I don't use anymore. Okay, that's it. I am all done. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I would really like it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. And have a great night. Thanks. Bye.